Hello, good day for all. Today's subject is severe cold. If the combination of running nose, headache, and sore throat, the situation become unbearable. If you using medicine is not advisable. Here I tell you some remedies that can help you quickly. But if your symptoms are really bad, you must see your doctor. This tips is for severe cold. Cut the two lemon, remove the juice, and take in the one glass and put 1.5 cup or maximum 2 cup boiled water and mix with honey as your taste and drink it while sleeping at night. This is a panacea medicine for cold. Just once, will not need again. Only one time is enough for you. Thank you very much. You come on this channel and you like this video and share and subscribe this video. Thank you very much. Bye.